Hey, productivity pros! Are you tired of juggling multiple apps to manage your team? Today we are putting Jibble and Whale.io head to head to see which one saves you more time and stress. Let's dive in. When it comes to their main use, Jibble is used for time tracking and attendance, while Whale.io is best for team collaboration and task management. When it comes to ease of use, Jibble is super simple and has a clock in, clock out feature, while Whale.io has visual boards and workflows. When it comes to integrations, Jibble integrates into Slack, Google, and Microsoft, while Whale.io integrates into Trello, Asana, and Zapier. When it comes to pricing, Jibble has free plan available, while Whale.io starts at $9 per user per month. So Jibble is more budget friendly. When we look at what they are best for, Jibble is best for remote teams. Sorry, who they are best for. Jibble is best for remote teams and freelancers, while Whale.io is best for agencies and project managers. So Jibble is like your digital time card. It's perfect if you just need to track hours. But Whale.io is a different story because it's a full team headquarters with tasks, documents, and automations. So, which one is your winner? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more app showdowns.